According to the International Monetary Fund's latest projection, China's economy is expected to grow by 8.1% this year. How did China's fiscal policy help support the economic recovery? And how should China continue to boost economic growth? Here is the answer.
There's been effective policy support provided both in terms of fiscal policy and monetary policy. And China's exports have also gone up in this environment. So all of these factors are responsible for China doing as well as it has. And indeed, like we said, it is one of these economies that's returning back to the pre-pandemic projected level in the fourth quarter of 2020, well ahead of other major economies.
China did respond forcefully to COVID-19 with fiscal policy. There was quite a substantial emphasis on public investment, but also on support to households and firms. There were some measures of tax relief in the process, and this situation of a very persistent fiscal support by the Chinese government seems to be completely appropriate given the nature of the shock.
The public infrastructure spending support and also the support that was extended to affected households and to firms, reinforced by aggressive actions by the People's Bank of China to provide liquidity support and ensure that credit provision remains strong.
I would say great so far. And so I would emphasize that if you look at G20 economies, China can claim that it did control COVID-19 up to now. That is going well. It has recovered part of the economic activity that it lost at the beginning of the year. It did recover so strongly that, as you emphasized right at the beginning, the growth rate for the year as a whole is positive. It's one of the very few economies in the world and the major economy that has such performance, and therefore great so far is, I believe, a good way of characterizing what's going on.